Hey, tell them what your name is, what it is, man.
Hey, my name is Devon, in here hanging out with Radford Homes, teaching us the game on how to flip, free game, charging nothing, telling us the ins and outs of this operation from the beginning to the end. I'm a real estate agent, Keller Williams in Winter Haven. My phone number is 863-242-9433. Realtor.dbascom, that's D-B-A-S-C-O-M-B-E.
All right.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Anthony Darby, aka Tony Darby. I'm a realtor with Bartow Realty Lincoln LLC. I'm an investor. I'm trying to learn about flipping, so I'm here hanging out with Greg Radford, trying to learn the business, showing me his flip that he got down to the bare bones. You know what I'm saying? So you can reach me at 863-605-5678 or radfordhomes.com. Respect to all of you.
Thank you for your service. Right. And Tori, can you take us through? We got my main man Darby here. We got D over here. Can you tell us what you're doing in this duplex over here with Radford Homes?
We're putting two air conditioners on both sides of this duplex. This is where the air handler will be, which is going to be centrally located to cool this whole duplex.
Okay.
So of course, this looks like nothing, but they're going to need a sweater, a jacket when I finish with this air conditioner.
That's right, because you got a license to what?
Chill.
A license to chill. What's your phone number, Tori? If somebody, I know the heat coming. What is it?
863-370-9668. That's new air, never old.
Okay. Hey Darby, I know you're a realtor, but at the same time you have a couple investment properties, right?
Yeah, I got a couple. First investment property. So it's been a great learning experience the last couple of years, and I'm just trying to turn it up this year.
Yeah.
Probably get a little more into flipping and just learn that part of the business. So it's been really great meeting you and learning some of your experiences. So I'm just gonna keep doing it, just trying to grow for this year.
Oh, that's what's up. All right, check it out, folks. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC, and my lovely, beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But we got a little question and ask right here, and we're gonna be knocking it down. So just check it out. So hit me with some questions. You hit me with the first question. What you want to know? I think you were talking about hard money lending.
Yeah, hard money lending.
All right. So what you want to know about hard money lending?
Where do we find these hard money lenders?
All right, it's an easy question there. If you want to find a hard money lender, this is how Radford Homes did it to discover the hard money lenders. I made them discover me. I attack social media. Everybody's not gonna like it that you are all over social media, you're sharing, you're flooding the market. But it's not really for the everyday person that's just on social media. Now it has its place for them. Don't get it wrong, because we need them on the team as well. But I'm also working to get to the person who is the hard money lender. I'm tagging myself with hard money lender. I'm using hashtags. So I'm tagging myself with private money lenders. You learn to use and operate hashtags efficiently. If you use and operate hashtags effectively the right way, then they will find you. So if I'm steady doing a plethora of work, like walking through this house, if you see right behind me, this is one of our flips that's currently live right now on the west side of Bartow. The house is basically gutted out. Swing around toward this way, follow me. The house is basically gutted out. We're reframing it up. We're cutting open the floors. This is a full gut rehab. We're putting on a new roof. We're rewiring the house. We put in new cabinets. We put in firm strips. We put in a new AC. We put in new air handlers. The whole 9 yards. Put in a new fence. We took down the trees. Everything you could think. We're replumbing the whole entire house. Okay? Now I'm gonna hashtag all of those different companies or those different lanes. So that way people can find me. It's no different with private money lenders. But if you got a canvas before you, which is social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, the whole 9 yards. If you're using that effectively, they will find you, especially if you're doing good work. So that's the truth of the matter. I first got discovered through my private money lender through a relationship that I had with another guy. And he said this guy was looking there for the opportunity to make a good ROI on his money. And I was like, hey, I can do that. So I did about 4 or 5 deals with him, gave him his money back quick as possible. And now I don't have to go to the banks. He don't pull my credit. He just write me a check. And now I'm doing it where he don't even write me a check. I don't even let him give me a check. I have to give the money to the title company when I'm closing. So that's where it's not a transfer of money. So the paper trail, they say, hi, Radford Homes, you buying all these houses, how you doing it? Well, they're gonna go right, if D is my hard money lender, they're gonna see at the title company when they look at the documents, right? They're gonna see who deposited, who wired the money in, and what account it came from. So it's not even coming from my account. It's coming from my hard money lender account. And then when I sell the deal, when I rehab the deal, and then I put it on the market and I sell it, or I cash out, refinance it, the title company will cut the hard money lender a check before I get my check. Now I just gave them an example today. I got a check for $54,000 today. My hard money lender got a check for $73,500. We sold a duplex in Winter Haven. This is live. You can go through my Facebook and see it. It's public record. Okay. We sold a duplex for $136,000. All right. After the realtor got his fee and the taxes and everything and paying the closing costs, I brought home $126,000. The hard money lender got back $73,500. But you have to remember, he got back $73,500, but the $70,000 that he gave me, I bought another house on the west side of Bartow in my hood because I'm trying to build up my hood. That house is now free and clear, brings in $900 a month. So he got his money back, I got my money back. I got a house that's free and clear, that's worth $100,000. So if I brought home a $54,000 check today, and I got a house that's free and clear for $100,000, I really got what? $154,000 because I now have an asset. It's not a liability because I have a tenant in there paying me every month, and it's free and clear. They pay me $900 a month. If you want to know more about that, you should be right here at this duplex on the west side of Bartow on the 4th of April at 1 p.m. and I'll be able to tell you more about that. Any other questions, D? I know you had a couple of questions about how I contact roofers and the whole 9 yards, how I go about getting my contractors. We asked earlier, right?
Right.
Well, that's a great question too, because it's important, it's imperative. Y'all listen to this. It's imperative that you get with reliable and good contractors. Okay, when you're coming into this business, you want to make sure you link up with somebody that's a good contractor and is reliable and is doing great work, adding value to the community, because not all contractors are the same. But I'm gonna tell you a way that I find contractors. Number one is I roll up on the job. If I'm driving and I see that there's a lot of construction going on, I'm parking my G-Wagon, I'm hopping out the G-Wagon, I'm running in there, I'm giving them a business card saying I'm Radford Homes. You know why I do that, folks? Because the canvas is before you. What is the canvas? What do you mean, Greg? What you mean, Radford Homes? Well, the canvas is the work. Get a swing around, Tori. The canvas is the work. When these guys came here today, they can see we putting in work, right? They can see we putting in work. So if you go on a job site and you see somebody working and you walk in there, you can look and see if the floors are clean, how they're keeping the operation. You can check them out. That's the canvas. That's the painting right there. The project is the painting. And then you might like what you see. Often sometimes you might not like what you see. You might walk in there and say, man, that don't look right. Then you know you don't want that contractor. That's a good way to vet contractors by hopping out your car. Okay, the next thing is you can go on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and you can ask for referrals of good contractors like you came here today. You know now you got new air, Tori, never old. So if you need an AC guy, you got Tori at 863-370-9668.
That's
all right,
correct.
and you can always reach Radford Homes at 863-410-0877. Follow us on all our social media. Next question, hit me with it. Let me switch it up. I got a question for them. You're a realtor, right?
Yeah.
All right, since you've been a realtor, how can you add value to somebody who's about to buy a house? First-time home buyer.
First-time home buyer. First thing is I can put them on to first-time home buyer programs and things that are available to first-time home buyers that are not necessarily available to someone who has purchased a home before. Walking them through the process, down payment assistance.
There you go.
Letting them know the different type of loans out there. A lot of first-time home buyers don't know that they can get a home with no money down, depending on where the home is located. So you may think, hey, my credit's not good enough, I don't have enough money. Call me at 863-242-9433 and we'll talk about it. And in a few months, you'll be in a new home.
All right, I like that. Check this out. I know that you already own and operate a duplex. I know you got one duplex, so we're gonna go check it out here in a minute. How do you vet your tenants and how do you get your money every month? Is that a laborious, is that a arduous task? Like, I mean, it's a headache. I mean, how do you do that? Because some people say, man, there ain't no way I will be being a landlord or a landowner over an asset, and then people don't pay you all the time. Speak to that. How do you handle that?
Well, you gotta set systems in place.
Yes.
You gotta set up systems in place.
Say that again.
You gotta have systems in place.
Yes.
Right?
This guy understands, y'all. You gotta have systems in place.
Right. You just have to, you have to have proper leases. You got to let tenants know that, hey, this is their property. It's your property, but they're living there. They gotta take care of it and maintain it. Here, show ownership, right? So, I try to, of course, treat all tenants fairly.
Yes.
And I try to do the best to assist them whenever they need help. Mm-hmm. And just be respectful of the tenants and treat them fairly. Just put systems in place, and they'll take care of your place, and they'll pay the rent on time.
Team here, everybody's coming over and checking out. A lot of people coming through. I got my main man D right there. I got Darby right there. They want to know about flipping, and I love that. That's a great thing. They coming out, they checking us out. Hey, you should be right here, April the 4th. That's right, at 1 p.m. You gonna be here, D?
Yeah, I'll be here.
All right, Darby, you gonna be here?
Definitely, man.
All right, man, y'all gotta come see us. Hey, this is Radford Homes. We out of here, man. What?
Anthony Darby or Tony Darby, Barossa Lakeland. Give me a call, 863-605-5678. I do resales, I do new construction.
Yes.
I help you find your first flip.
First time home?
First time home, whatever it is. We do it all. Also getting into commercials, so we got it covered.
D, talk to him, D.
Yeah, it's Devon Bascom, Keller Williams in Winter Haven, 863-242-9433. Buy, sell, invest, credit repair, whatever it takes to get you in the house, I do it.
Yeah, and you know what it is, man. The brains and the beauty, she watching, Sabrina. Hey, Sabrina, them boys like your G-Wagon, baby. They said, hey, man, that's your G-Wagon. I said, man, that's my wife's G-Wagon. That ain't mine. All right, hey, keep God first, Luke 1:37. April the 4th, be right here. We out of here. Peace.